I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fit and placement. Pick the sidecar holster matched to your pistol and magazine so retention works reliably. Once you have it, thread your belt through the holster loop and set it on the strong side hip about 1–2 inches rear of the belt loop so the muzzle points slightly rearward. Make sure attachment hardware is secure. You need a stable platform before shouldering. This reduces wobble when you draw and ensures the magazine carrier aligns for a smooth reload. Once mounted, adjust cant and retention to suit your draw stroke and clothing. You want 0 degrees if you prefer a straight pull, or around 10–15 degrees for a natural wrist turn. Small changes make a big difference. Tighten retention screws incrementally and test with both empty and loaded pistols, because retention feels different under weight. Make sure the ride height lets the grip clear garments. If it snags, lower the holster slightly. These tweaks optimize speed and safety together. You finish by practicing controlled dry draws and reloads to build muscle memory. Aim for 10–20 reps focusing on consistent hand placement and follow through. Once done, wear your normal clothing and perform a few live holsters and reloads to confirm access and retention under real conditions. If you hear rubbing, feel binding, or get slow reholstering, recant the holster slightly, adjust belt tension, or add a thin spacer to eliminate pressure points. Regular practice keeps technique reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.